Hello and welcome to the Service Box Multi-Brand training module on quotes. As a reminder, the Service Box Multi-Brand catalog has 3 subscription levels: Find, Quote, and Fix. Please note that this quotation feature is available regardless of your level of access. In this presentation, we invite you to look at the quote part of the Service Box Multi-Brand catalog in a bit more detail. Let's take a look at how to access it and the key features. There are 2 different ways of accessing the quote function in the Service Box Multi-Brand catalog. On the one hand, once you have selected the parts, you can access the basket and the quote function via the shopping trolley icon. Alternatively, you can simply select a vehicle without purchasing a part, and access the basket and the quote function via the shopping trolley icon. Once you are in the basket, you will find the following information. The Service Box Quote button allows you to send the items directly into the quote for the basket, which is integrated into Service Box. Click the Order button to send all of the selected parts to the Service Box basket and place the order with your Distrigo hub. You can edit or create a quote directly within Service Box Multi-Brand. Let's take a look at the 4 main features of the quote function within the Service Box Multi-Brand catalog. Firstly, you can edit the quote. In the order, you will find the various parts and labor that you have added to the basket. All of the labeled fields and part numbers can be edited. The prices you can see exclude tax. These fields can also be edited. If you change the price excluding tax, you must also update the VAT rate. The quantities can also be edited. This information icon shows the parts availability status for your hub. The technical details and repair rates can also be edited. If you want to change them, they can be edited in the Service Box catalog user settings. You can also add parts, labor and discounts to your quote. To add local labor, use the Add Labor button. To add a local part, use the Add Part button. To add a discount as a percentage for the parts, times and overall quote, click the Add a Discount button. The bin to the right of each row allows you to delete a part or labor. You can also delete all items associated with a selected vehicle. You can save, print and email your quote. The Print, Save, and Send by Email buttons allow you to print, save, send by email. The Print and Send by Email buttons also automatically save the quote. The first time you enter information about your garage, all this information will be saved and then used to pre-populate all your future quotes. You will need to enter information about your customer, at least their name and email address. Don't forget to enter the validity end date for your quote. Once all of the necessary fields have been filled in, click the Validate button to print or send by email. When the quote is sent by email or printed, it is also automatically saved. It is easy to retrieve saved quotes. You can retrieve them by clicking the Save icon, located in the top banner. In this list, which is accessed via the Save icon, you can search by the customer's name, vehicle identification number or quote number. As you can see, within your quote you can easily edit and add local parts and labor, send and print the quote for your customer, retrieve saved quotes, quantify the labor savings that result from sharing labor time. We have completed the presentation of this module. In summary, here's what you need to remember. The quote can be accessed via the shopping trolley button at the top of the screen. It becomes active when a part is added to the order or when a vehicle is identified. First of all, the quote allows you to change the initial fields for items added to your order. You can change part numbers and descriptions. You can of course change labor times, but you can also change the repair types and rates associated with them. Finally, you can change prices excluding taxes. Be careful though, in this case, you must also update the associated VAT rate, because changing the price reduces the VAT to 0. The quote also lets you add parts, labor, taking into account your technical details outlined in Service Box, or percentage reductions locally. The quote is also designed to suit your needs. You can of course save it, but you can also send it to your customers, either by printing it out or by sending it by email. Please note that if you use one of the quote sharing features, this will also save the quote automatically. The saved document will be available for 6 months. To find your saved quotes, you can access your quote history from the bar at the top. Once in the history, you'll see a list of your quotes. Several search options are also available. The customer name, the VIN or vehicle registration number, the quote number. Once you have found the quote, you can reload it in the order to modify it. We have come to the end of this module. Have a nice day.